Iraqi troops flushed out the remaining pockets of Islamic State fighters in the northern Mosul suburb of Al-Qawsiyat. The mopping up operation came as government forces said they took control of all districts of Mosul east of the Tigris River.
تقدم على محور أو التبادل التجاري من قبل لواء المشاة الآلي 36 البطل الفرقة التاسعة تم تحريرها ومن ثم التقدم على معمل الأدوية.
With the help of U.S.-led coalition airstrikes, the Iraqi government said its forces captured East Mosul 100 days after launching operations to retake Iraq's second-largest city. It fell into the hands of Islamic State militants in June of 2014. Some hardcore IS fighters put up stubborn resistance.
ما يهمنا لا أي سيارات مفخخة هم طبعا يعني أكثر سياسة القنص والمفخخة ما تعيقنا لا مفخخة ولا قنص وإن شاء الله بهمة الأبطال وهمة ضباطنا القادة إن شاء الله والمراتب سوف نحرر كل مناطق الموصل.
The 100,000-strong force of Iraqi troops, Kurdish fighters, and Shiite militias backed by Iran expects a much more difficult fight to liberate West Mosul. Narrow streets could make it virtually impossible for heavy Iraqi armor to pass through. The UN estimates 750,000 people remain in the west of the city and fears Islamic State fighters could use civilians as human shields.